two pieces of hair twisted together, right to the left, and I'm using my finger to borrow, and I'm twisting the hair up. So going clockwise with the twisting, which is giving me that feeling that the hair is ropey. You see, that's a lot better. Pay attention to this part of the head. When I was reaching for the hairs back here too, and putting them into this twist. I'm not just taking hair from the perimeter. I'm taking hair from the top. Gotta reach, like really reach. And if you're starting to get tangled, really smooth every few sections so that you can get this hair really smooth. Okay, this is my weaker side. So everybody has their strength. I think when you're doing your own braiding, one side is, you have much more dexterity than the other. So on this side, I'm moving a little slower, so I sped up the camera. I wanted to show you that you need to use smaller sections because you have less hair to work with on this side, but you want to continue to have the definition of that ropey effect. Okay, so we're using a scrunchie to tie off this hair. You notice I'm tying the hair into itself like a knot and tucking and rolling it and then quickly securing it with another scrunchie, and that's my overnight look. This look is a daytime. I'm going to work, I might go to an event. I want it to look a little more put together. I'm using bobby pins, maybe 3 or 4. Sometimes I use large ones to give me a little more security that it's not going to fall out. And that's that. So I wanted to give you one more chance to see this look on light hair. So my client Kirsten is a redhead, and she has extremely thick, heavy, coarse hair, which we just finished cutting. I'm going to use her hair to demonstrate a dry look. If you were to do this on straight hair, without much product. I'm gathering the hair up as I showed earlier in the video and tucking it and working as tightly as I can because that hair will loosen up as you get further from the beginning of this double strand twisted look. This hair is notoriously heavy, it will fall. So, you know, one step further, you could use a little pomade and put that on your left hand and just kind of touch some into the hairline as you're working to make sure that hair doesn't fall out of that double strand twist.